my friend Scott Backen invited me to Fernie, a small town in interior BC. My friends Justin and Lucas gave me a shout because their van had just died. They hopped in an Uber with me and we headed over to Scott's house.
The adventure begins! What's up, Fernie? We're coming for you!
Why do you guys have these juices?
Do you guys need to eat? Justin, what do you need?
I don't know.
No, he's not. He says he can only have 700 calories a day.
We drove 3 hours south to Fernie, and on the way we even saw a bear. Once we arrived, we went straight to bed.
All right, ready to rock, Fernie? We're here. Let's do this.
So for our first morning in town, we strolled around town and grabbed a bite at Big Bang Bagels. So you guys aren't eating?
That's a lot of calories. It's cutting season. It means I gotta get ready for like the Maldives.
When are you going to the Maldives?
I don't know.
We're having a good time, right? We're gonna have good dinner tonight.
Scott was invited by the tourism board to shoot photos and videos for their social channels. He invited Justin, Lucas, and I, and we are hanging out and helping him with his job. The headquarters is Snow Valley Lodging, and we're staying in some tiny homes.
This is the tiny home.
We've got a full kitchen. This couch folds out into a bed, table that folds up, full bathroom, fridge, and a loft bed. Not too bad. This is the communal area of the tiny homes. And right here, we've got the fire pit and some more communal area. Scott just bought this drone and I'm gonna set it up right now. Justin and Lucas have disappeared. I think they've gone to 7-Eleven. They are trying to eat 500 calories a day. And it turns out you get really tired and have no energy when you have no food. So they think 7-Eleven is going to have sustenance for them.
It was too expensive there.
So you went for a teen burger?
Yeah. We have deals.
Which deals?
Got free fries.
Yes, we'll see you then. Duncan's driving us.
The first outing of our trip was with our guide Duncan. He took us to the nearest mountain that overlooked the town. Our goal was to make it to a hut that was a great spot to catch sunset. We found out pretty quickly that the path we were on was actually one for mountain bikers.
Whoa!
And it turns out that Fernie's so small that Duncan knew these guys. The lookout he took us to was beautiful, and we could see the town of Fernie and the mountains that surrounded it.
It does look nice.
Before we started our descent down, Scott snapped some photos of Duncan's friends on their bikes. Not good enough for a photo here?
No, I gave up. Those nice light rays come through that valley. Waiting for that golden hour.
There's a piece of whatever.
Wow.
Somebody.
Somebody died up here.
Night one was a success.
It's 7:45 a.m. and we're gonna go shoot sunrise. We're looking for fall colors.
Got a bit of ice on the window this morning.
We'll take the drone up and see what we can get.
Let's do it.
Another successful drone mission.
Came out of a back alley.
No way.
Chasing down the road.
No way.
This is Justin and Lucas telling us about the bear they encountered last night.
Yeah, for real.
Whoa.
How close were you?
Like, I don't know, like 30 feet away.
Yeah, probably.
Do you know how to ride a bike?
We'll see.
Big dinner tonight, so save that room.
Scott got some more clips for the video he was making, and the guys love the bike park.
Got it.
What do you think of them?
That was pretty fun.
Yeah, I would do that again.
I think I'd rather have this in the car.
Where's your camera? You're not gonna shoot sunset?
Yeah, I'll bring it out.
We're shooting sunset this evening at Dogwood Park. Justin is shooting on the drone, Scott is shooting on his phone, and I'm shooting on my camera.
How is it? You getting bangers or what? Oh, that's nice. What are you gonna have tonight for dinner? Steak?
Probably.
Do you love sunset?
I think I like sunrise better. It has more energy.
Today is our final morning in Fernie, BC. We're out here right now. We found this really beautiful lake right behind the Canadian Tire, and we're gonna shoot our sunrise here. That didn't take you very long.
Should I wear the vest now?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah. You quit your job for this?
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh no, the burp. Boom.
That's it. Sunrise is over, and our time in Fernie is coming to a close.